Good morning. This is Tom with Junk King. Today we're at a home in Reading, Connecticut, and this customer is having a new pool put in, full backyard renovation. And one of the things that has to happen is this deck, rather large one, has to go. So we're going to help them out with that project. We have a really busy schedule, so we've set an ambitious goal of being done in 2.5 hours. We'll see how it goes. All right, so here we are. It's Tom with Junk King. We just finished up the deck removal in Reading. Took a couple hours, but as you can see, everything is done. Customer's happy. We cleaned up after ourselves, and we're on to the next job. See you next time.
Call us at 888-888-JUNK. You can also reach us at www.junk-king.com.